Welcome to my Bitcoin demonstration. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Gilmore Software Development 5-minute e-commerce solution to accept Bitcoins. This example is a donation button, and you can also use this for any number of items that you want to sell. So we're going to start with a complete example since I want to explain how this works and your various options. If you watched my 5-minute donation button example, this code will be very familiar. You'll also need to download our custom library from our site at jgilmore.com, then configure it with your Bitcoin address. Now for this demo I've already set up that, so it's using my address, and if you well, anyway, let me get started here. So as in all my other examples, you need to use the style sheet, which links2 is hosted on my server. And also you want to load in the main library script, which is also hosted on our server. And then you want to set up an instance of the shopping cart. Okay, this is done no matter what you're doing. Now line 8 right here is special. This is only used if you're going to take Bitcoins. Now you can include it, it's just it will add extra overhead by doing rate lookups. So this gives you almost real-time Bitcoin conversion rates so that you can convert your shopping cart into dollars, because that's ultimately how the shopping cart system works for now. Okay, so the script tag here is basically doing the conversion of the Bitcoins to dollars, because like I said, the cart itself wants to be in dollars. So like the other example that I did, we have a donate button, and rather than using scart.add-to-cart, I just wrote a function called add to cart, which is up here. The purpose of this is to allow you to accept Bitcoins or not. So if you look here and on the design surface, you'll see that not only do you have a donate button and a text box where people can enter the amount of their donation, but you can also allow them to specify whether they want the donation to be in Bitcoins or in dollars. And then of course the cart button will show the card at the bottom there. And that's pretty much it. So again, you know, the main magic of it is to grab the donation value. If they clicked on Bitcoins, then what it will do is it will use our Bitcoin rate that it got with line 8 here, and then it will submit it. So let's hit the run button so you can see what it looks like. So here we go. I'm going to donate $5, and I'm going to keep this in US dollars for now, and I'll show you how we can do it the other way. So when I click donate, the cart shows up here now. I had done this before, so there was already a donation in there, so let me back it down to one donation. So you see the cart says $5. So if we continue to check out and I select Bitcoin, what you're going to notice is that it says the total is $5, which is correct. It also shows you the exchange rate in Bitcoins, and then it says send 0.03745 Bitcoins to this Bitcoin address. Or you can use the QR code and scan it with your mobile device wallet. Or if you happen to have a wallet on your computer, as I do here, because it's, you know, complaining about it, but it will come up and allow me to use my desktop PC's wallet in order to pay for it. I'm just going to let that, it will take a while to synchronize. But this is in essence how the Bitcoin system works. The only time you need to fill out your name and address is if you're shipping an item to somebody, or if you're expecting to receive something, you would want to fill this out, and then you would send this order in. Okay, so now let's take a look at if we want to donate in Bitcoins. So let's say and rather than using US dollars, I want to do 0.04 Bitcoins. And so I hit donate. What you're going to notice is that the JavaScript that you just saw did the exchange rate conversion, and it took the 0.04 Bitcoins and turned it into $5. Okay, now I know you wanted to get these in Bitcoins, but that's fine. The shopping cart takes care of that, because at this point you can select whatever checkout method you like. The demo only has PayPal and Bitcoin set up, but you could have easily had Google checkout as well. If you select PayPal, it will run the donation for $5.39. If you pick Bitcoin, it's going to it converted it to $10 because I probably had 2 in there. That's right. So sorry about that. There we go. That's better. So it's 0.04 and then some digits after that, because the shopping cart is doing a little bit of rounding. I'm not going to hurt anybody, but this is just the way floating point is doing it. So I think for most people that'll be close enough. If not, maybe we can see what to do. But this my demo and my tutorial, I hope that you got out of it what you wanted. Oh, there comes my wallet. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.